Lord, I don't remember the last time I was in a helicopter. So where are we going over?
We'll be heading towards downtown. I'll do a couple of orbits around the park as well.
I know. I know. Good Lord, Dad, the scrapyard looks so clean. Whoa. I have not.
There's a big train yard off up to our left over there. Paper mill. That's going down the street towards Warner Robins down that way. But the main airport.
If we go over on Chamber, I'll be surprised if it came on. Yeah. Where's my house this thing?
There.
Okay. Now I can do myself. It's kind of blurry on the camera from that way. This camera doesn't have a break with it. Oh God, that's there. Okay, I got that. I got that. Ah, bring it. Jump cut, jump cut. Oh. I really hope that camera's not picking my boyfriend. I know. Dad, where's Henry's house? Can you see the whole house? Wait, we're going over the chamber. We should have called Mom beforehand. Told her to go outside. Yeah. Remember we?
Shower right now.
Oh yeah.
I've seen that thing get deep.
Oh yeah. What was it? If we were there 8 days, what was it? Like really high.
Right.
It looks so small up here. The festival looks so small. I got it. Got it. I got it.
Oh, the scrapyard there?
Wait, okay, now where's Henry's car and we'll scare him? Oh, I see the truck too. We should have like brought like a giant water balloon or something.
Here, laying down there. Hey, this is how I'm getting to work from now on.
Do not give him any ideas. He will do that. He will have you like take him up really high and you like jumping out of the air with a parachute.
This is going to be the Indian Mounds coming up on our left right here. This swampy area here. Oh, yeah.
I do. What was it you guys had that when there's trying? It was a bobcat that came out of the swamp. My friend worked there last year. It was she hated it. Oh look, there's Bigfoot. About having you come with me.